I remember that I had written an article called as Failure, a Brick in the Castle of Success. Even though it looked like a negative title, it gave a optimistic approach to the success. When we say success, what is the meaning of that? Does wealth, happiness, popularity, fame, or relations define success? When we go through the Webster's dictionary, it has three definitions: the fact of getting or achieving wealth, respect, or fame, then the correct or desired result of an attempt, someone or something that is successful, or a person or thing that succeeds. The late Zig Ziglar is one of the most respected modern day experts on success. He talks on motivation and also leading a balanced life. In his book Born to Win, he argues that success cannot be defined in one sentence, but instead it constitutes multiple things. One can argue that definition of the success depends on individual and one size does not fit all. We can come across many such quotes and many such success stories too. Of you can see of much successful billionaires in the terms of their accomplishments. Then we are awestruck and we get inspired and motivated to act in the same way to achieve success in the terms of materialism. There is a big difference between growth, progress, and success. If we increase the materialistic things, it is called as growth. And if we keep on increasing those things, it will be called as progress. And finally, when a person surpasses everybody with the help of values, ethics, and honesty, then it is the ultimate success. That is what I believe. One thing I noted, which is similar in all the stories, is struggle plus success, and it may be in various permutations and combinations. Nobody would tell you about their enlightenment after the failure which led to ultimate success in their stories. That is what matters. I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work, said Thomas A. Edison. There are some famous personalities who have taken 360-degree turn from rags to riches. Hard work, firm determination, devotion, dedication, passion, kindness, love, and many more words of virtues and values which they said they were following to get their goals. I've seen many intelligent, learned personalities still struggling to get to their goals in their late ages and somehow failed miserably and somehow become pessimistic too. They became depressed because of the failures. Success stories are individual based. The success story plan strictly architecture to their own individual life. One man's medicine cannot be another man's medicine. So it is a right to choose anybody's. It's not easy to choose anybody's success plan and climb the success ladder. When I read about success stories of many world famous people, they all mention about the number of mistakes they had made, the amount of failures they had faced, they had endured. But then very few successful people, they will reveal how they coped up that failures to build the success castle. Two questions come to my mind when I go through the biographies of some eminent successful people. first question is, how do they plan their strategy? Have they copied the strategy from other successful people? That's the second question. Answer to the first question is the key. So second one can be possible to certain extent, but it can't be a unique one to reach that distinguished success story. Everyone's story is different. Their life journey itself is unique, very different. And those people with whom they are dealing are also very different. So basically, when it comes to values, the basic pillars of any success story is the same. The overall structure which binds to hold the top floors and the ceilings of that success castle is highlighted as the success. That is why you see that whenever a person falls from rags, from riches to rags, but still he comes back shining, regaining the original position, it is only just because of those strong pillars of values. That is what binds him to that success. Those are the strings. Nowadays, success stories are high selling, marketing techniques, products, services, all are based on this success stories. These are just highlighting for a specific period, but then they need to be maintained, and we have to plan it with our own value system and life situation based individual strategy to survive in the long term. We are all influenced by the quotes of success by celebrities, life coaches, big business leaders. But nowadays, I am amazed to see that common people too have got a platform to speak about their success stories, whatever it be. Like maybe quitting the addictions like alcohol, smoking, learning to overcome their fears, and many such things. The success should be having a personal definition. That is what is my perception. Whatever we want to achieve, our desires of happiness, it should be individual based. And the world surely runs on materialism, but spirituality also gives the right value to it. That is what I believe. If you look at the success through others' glasses, we can never get the true essence of it. This is Dr. Rajeshwari Rapata signing off until we meet again in the next video.